Hi everyone, my name is Alexis. I am a customer success manager here at ProSymmetry. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the task list tile. So a task list allows you to create custom tasks to be applied to specific project types. So first I'm on my home page, I'm going to go into my admin settings and into the task management tile here. As you can see, I already have one task list created, so I will walk through that one first. I have set up my task list name here. I have associated it with a specific type of project. So as you can see here, these are the 4 types of projects that I have created, and I have associated it with just this one. However, you can associate it with more than one. And then I have created my custom tasks here. So in this case, I have task 1, task 2, and task 3. You do have the ability to drag these tasks around. In this case, this isn't a great example, 1, 2, 3, but just know that that is an option. You also have the ability to delete an individual task here. So I just deleted task 3. I will add that one back. You also have the ability with this red trash can to delete this whole task list. I'm going to save that. And next I'm going to show how to create a new list. So if I select create new list here, let's title this one regular project task list. And I'm going to associate this with just my regular projects. Next, I can create my custom tasks here. So let's just, for the sake of convenience, do task 1, task 2, task 3 again. I'll do up to 5. All right. So again, you can create as many as you would like. You can also move these around, delete these individual tasks, as well as delete this whole task list in general. I'm going to save that. And next I'm going to go into my project management tile and let's create a new project. So let's create a regular project. Let's give this a project name, 2023 project. Task demo. Okay. Let's do 2023. Let's do a few months of that. And let's create that project. As you can see, automatically, these tasks the custom tasks that we created have populated into this project. The generic task will always be here as well. Something that I do want to point out is, let me duplicate my screen here. So if I were to go back into my admin settings, nope, not general settings, task management, and let's say that, I decide from here on out, I actually only need my first 3 tasks. So let's delete 5 and 4, and let's save that. If I go into any project that I have already created, it is not going to automatically make those edits. So from here on out, if I create a new regular project, it will only have task 1, task 2, task 3. But for any previously created projects, those edits will not be made. So that's a point that I just wanted to make there. As always, there is written documentation in our help center on these task lists, excuse me. But feel free to reach out with any specific questions. And that is it. Thank you.